YouTube, it's your girl Raquel. I'm back with my monthly SipsBy box. These videos are usually real short, easy to do. If y'all don't know, SipsBy is a monthly tea subscription box, you know, for us tea lovers. And it's $15 a month if y'all don't know. I'm just saying. Besides, y'all know I love subscription boxes and I love tea. Everybody that's, you know, that watches my videos. And for those who don't watch, you know, or new to the channel or don't know, I absolutely love tea and I absolutely love subscription boxes. So this is a bonus. $15. I get to try teas that I've never heard of. I'm cool with that. And then they make it so personalized, you know. I like that. And each one of them have a discount. Yeah, well, not all of them. 20% off for this one. 30% off for this one. So yeah, a few of them, buy 3, get 1 free. Like one of them in here says it's pumpkin spice, the Republic of Tea, 1 bag per 8 ounces. Okay. Which one is this? Oh, this would be this one, the Republic of Tea. Oh, that smells good. You get 4 of each kind. That says pumpkin spice, seasonal round black tea bag. Okay, so I know black tea, we got high caffeine. Cozy up with this being a blend of black tea and fall spices. So this is good. It's gonna be good. And on this one, this is the one buy 3 get 1 free with code SipsBy Trout. Republic of Tea. So like I said, when you I probably wasn't supposed to say it, but when you buy these, you get the little code to get a discount on the teas that you like that came in your bag. The next one I see is Glow. It's jade leaf matcha. So this matcha tea, again, you get 4. Okay, you only get 3 of these. Matcha latte. Okay, matcha latte. Glow, protect, think, and balance. We took organic Japanese matcha crafted specifically for exceptional lattes and infused it with a carefully chosen functional ingredient. Okay, you add a cup of milk in 1 packet and 1 teaspoon of honey. Glow, they got protect, turmeric, and ginger. Okay, they come in different kinds. The blue one is Glow. The yellow one got turmeric and ginger. And then think and balance, or balance and think. These are the different kinds of a matcha latte. I'm assuming you can mix this. This functional blend includes matcha, calm, focus, energy, collagen for organic tissue health, biotin, skin, hair, and nails, and a probiotic fiber for a stable, healthy gut. Okay, I'm assuming heat milk, plant-based, or dairy to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can either mix it with water or mix it with milk. I'm wondering if I can put this in my, can I mix it with coffee? Collagen peptides, organic Japanese matcha. I wonder if I can mix it with coffee. Heat milk. Okay, plant-based or dairy milk. No, it says milk. I'm going wrong. You're supposed to mix it with warm milk. It's unsweetened, dairy-free, gluten-free, paleo and keto friendly. Maybe I can mix it with my coffee. We'll see, because why would you mix dairy with milk? Oh, that's why it says plant-based or dairy. You can use it either way you want. I'm just intrigued by this. Okay. And the next thing I see in here is orange lemonade. Okay, orange lemonade. It comes like this, 1 sachet. Caffeine-free real orange tangerine pieces are blended alongside eucalyptus and has a cooling and refreshing effect. This one is the one with the 30% off code if you like it and so want to choose it. And this feels like it's just some loose. Oh, it's got 4 bags. I gotta open it because I want to know what's in here. I gotta know what it smells like. Ooh, that smells so good. That's what it looks like. That's what the bag looks like. Oh, that smells good. Whew. And this is caffeine free. Orange lemonade. And it's the same 30% on there. So it's on there if y'all want to see it. That smells good. So this is going to be the first one I try. And the last one I see is 3 mint. Puka. It's caffeine free. Peppermint leaf, spearmint leaf, and field mint leaf. Now this is the one. Oh, it smells like spearmint gum. Wrigley spearmint gum. This is the one that I've definitely mixed with some caffeine for the flavor. 3 mint. Oh, that smells good. Peppermints. What did I say? Spearmint, field mint, and peppermint. That smells good. No caffeine, but I will mix you with some. Oh, this smells good. After a meal to cool off a hot day, so it's got to be real cooling with all of those mints. Okay, y'all, and that is this month's box. If I didn't say, there's 4 of these in there. That is this month's box. This is going to be the first one I'm going to try because I like eucalyptus orange lemonade. This just smells so good. This is the main one I want to try first. Alright, y'all, that's this month's tea box. This video don't need to be long, so no sense to me keep on talking. How y'all doing? Good. Alright. Y'all, thanks for watching the video. Stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Alright. Bye, guys.